Hi everyone, welcome to Wigs. Very glad to see you guys here. Today, we will introduce a new item for you. Hope that you will love it. For this item, the item known as 360LW-014, we use premium quality healthy Indian Remy hair in one direction cuticles to keep from tangling. Swiss lace to create the cap base for the scalp to breathe freely. Each hair is hand knotted on the lace to be sure of no shedding. The length is 20 inch, 6 inch to 36 inch human hair is always available. The color is natural color. We have more colors such as color 1, color 1B, color 2, color 4, umber color, and so on for you to choose, wide selections. And the texture is kinky straight. More latest hair trend styles in the website https://nafwigs.com. Welcome your visiting. Mostly, our lace color is light brown for dark hair and transparent for light hair. If you have special requirements, please leave us a message or write to us, service@nafwigs.com. It can be brown color or dark brown. Just to match your skin well. The density of the wig is 130%. You can ask for more or less density, such as 150%, 180%, or 100%, 80%. Just as you required. More density, the hair will be heavier. Mostly, our wigs are coming with freestyle. If without special instruction, you can part from anywhere. If you want right part or left part or central part, please let us know. We will prepare for you specially. We have already bleached the knots in the front hairline to create the natural looking. We prepared small size, medium size, and large size for you to choose. Please check every measurement according to our instructions to be sure that you will get the right size for your head. That's all. Hope that you will love it. Any comments or questions, welcome to write to us, service@nafwigs.com or WhatsApp, +86-13789846163. More about us, welcome to visit our website, https://nafwigs.com. Please remember to subscribe our channel if you want to get our updates. Thank you.